I'm Brother Robot. I've decided to join the Stay In Play In with awesome kids from around the world to bring you ideas to keep playing and learning. Wow! Today we are going to make a game. It's called Pinoy Pool. What is Pinoy Pool? Filipino pool is different from billiards. It is a game that uses a square pool table with 4 corner pockets. It is played with a cue stick called a teco and flat discs or pucks called pizia instead of balls. To get started, we need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, a shot glass, regular glass, 8 textbooks, a towel, and a barbecue stick. Yeah. See you in part 1. Hey guys, part 1, making the Play-Doh. By dumping your flour, making a crater. There you go, crater. Add the water. Oh no, my crater. The salt. Oh, sure the salt dissolves. You're gonna mix this until everything is a consistent dough. Oh, hello. But it's so fun! No, this is the actual recipe for Play-Doh, used in the 18th century. Once you're done making Play-Doh, let's move on to step 2. Part 2, making the striker. Filipino pool has 1 striker. That's bigger than the rest of them. We're going to make 2. Start out by flattening the dough. Flatten the dough to 3/8 of an inch or 10 millimeters. Place it on your sheet right here. Take your normal glass and make 2. Take your pokey stick and make any design you want. And twist the glass to cut out the dough. Once you've made these strikers, I'll see you in part 3. Welcome to part 3! We're making pucks! We're gonna make pucks. Need to knead the dough again to make it a 1 big blob to flatten out. Flatten the dough to 1/4 of an inch or 7 millimeters. Pick it up, put it right here. Take a look at these guys. We're gonna number them from 1 to 12. Son! Time to cut out the pucks. We got our 24 pucks, our 2 strikers, our men, and we'll see you in part 4. This is where you need adult supervision. Then welcome to part 4. This is where we need adult supervision. We need to turn on the oven to 350 and set a timer for 1 hour. This is where we need a turtle! Hey guys, it's almost done! Woo! It's done! It's done! It's done. Turn off the oven and let the pizza cool. Allow your pizza to cool for at least an hour. Wow, these look great. Let's play some pool. See you in step 5! Welcome to part 5. Guess what? I didn't clean up at all. Cleaning up is very important. You must clean up this tabletop very thoroughly. Time to make the pool table! Line up your 8 textbooks into your pucks and a striker. Let's play some pool! Okay. Make your own rules, because it's your game! Wow! What's even better than that, the recipe used to make the pucks is also the same recipe as hardtack, an American Civil War food that can last indefinitely when cared for and kept dry. So in an absolute war zone and you don't have any food, you can eat your pool table. Thank you for joining us at Stay and Play.